The State Coordination of Coal Miners, Dealers and Transporters Association has urged the state government to scrap the Standard Operating Procedure (SOP) for granting of prospective license or mining lease for coal mining in the state, informing that he had submitted a memorandum to Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on this issue recently. Association member Regional Shilla said that the SOP is favourable and benefits only the business tycoons. The association member said that the small miners have really suffered since they are not eligible to apply for the mining lease.
Scientific coal mining in the state of Meghalaya. Buat kibun ki research kilat kelinting nyuat namta ban wat ya kelinti ban penteri kamno ya ka scientific coal mining in the state of Meghalaya. Kumju yang itu ki pajbaro ki badan jaga ka bahako ka cispa hectares kumba lapas kai daga sarkar jilla ka jaga namta ban apply ya prospecting license lane mining list tamla banduna change ro ya ka cispa hectares tegane galate kalakum yo pajba ya barok kowe ka jilla Meghalaya jungi ki ba im kamai jakpo daga negakam ki bakwa ban wan bi chakmat ban apply ka prospecting license lane ka mining list.
The sudden ban of commercial